Welcome to Season 2, Episode 1 of See Joe Shrink. I know it's been a while, guys, and this time we're starting from scratch because look, side perspective there, 401 pounds, not even close to where I want to be. For those that don't know me, the story started years ago, about 2009-10, lost 60 pounds of body fat, then became a manager at A&W, free meals. Poor excuse, I know, but it's gone downhill ever since. This time, got to do it. We got 3 kids now. From the beginning of my journey, I only had 2. 3 kids now, a wife, love them to bits. I got to be there for them. I got to get healthy. I got to do this right. So we're sitting here in the parking lot of our gym. It's right over there. They don't allow to film. We're going to try some guerrilla style with the cell phone. Let's see how the footage turns out. But Joe Todd, See Joe Shrink, back with it. Season 2, Episode 1. Let's get it done. Day 2 of the journey. 401, 410 pounds, call it what you will. Doctor's office says 401, here says 410. Over 400. Chin up time. And let's give her a shot. No. Maybe day 3. Here we are, guys, at the gym. Rocking it out. See Joe Shrink here. 410 pounds according to their scale. Doctor's scale saying 401. Either way, no hell way for 400 pounds. This is ridiculous. Got my buddy Cody with me here. Say what's up to YouTube land. He's a bit shy. He's a bit shy, but we're gonna rock this journey together. We're gonna have experts. We're gonna have a good friend of mine on, Jordan Richardson. We call him JR of Boss Supplements. He's on a weight loss journey. He's lost a ton of weight, so that's super exciting. So I'm on the bike right now, as you can see. So we're gonna do this journey together. Motivate me, I'll motivate you. We'll get it done, man. We'll get it done. We'll get it done. What are you still doing here? I gotta work out, get out of here. Oh, perfect. I see you, do you see me? What are we at here? We are at 50 pounds on the old row machine, cardio. What is it? Seated row upper body. Let's get her done. How many sets? Or how many? 7 apparently. Okay, I'll hold it there next time. You want me to do it now? I'll do 7 more. I got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, I feel it more than the other way. Good call, Cody. Good call. I don't like him right now. We're not friends. See Joe Shrink here. Ending the workout with a nice massage on the old hydro massage table, and then check this out. Yeah, my own private beach with a massage. So See Joe Shrink, Joe Todd signing off. Probably gonna have a nap. It's been a good workout. Adios. Keep on trucking. Keep your stick on the ice. Joe Todd, See Joe Shrink.